my lashes always look mismatched even though they're not. It's like so freaking annoying. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name's Laura. I post videos once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, fashion, lifestyle, all that good stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you get updates whenever I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram and Twitter. I've got my social medias linked in the description box below, so please follow me there as well. Today, I am going to be creating this sort of purple and gold smoky look using BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette and start to build up some color in my crease. So now I'm going into my Foil Eyes 2 palette from BH Cosmetics. I am going to dip into this last shade over here, and I'm going to put that on my eyelid up until where the purple kind of starts. Okay, so I'm going to run some color along my lower lash line. So you could leave this look as it is. It's a little bit smoky for me and a little bit dark, so I want to brighten it up a little bit. So I'm going to go into my Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter in the shades 05 Sparkling Peach, and I'm just going to kind of go over the gold and just make it a little bit lighter. And I'm going to stick to the inner half of my eye so that I get a little bit of that smokiness, but also just brighten up the inner part of my eye. Okay, that's a lot better. Okay, so I'm gonna add lashes, liner, mascara, all that, and then I'll be back. So this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I've also got all the products and brushes that I used linked in the description box. So if you're wondering what products I used or whatever, it's all there. Follow me on my other social media, again, linked below, and I'll see you in my next video.